Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the next episode of Star Mountain Outdoors and Bushcraft. I'm John, and today we are camping at Junta Campground on the Carson National Forest, doing a family car camping trip. So come along and join us. This is a heavily used campground, so wood is hard to come by. So I had to cut through this large round here, and I'm going to buck this up into 3 pieces so I can get it across a little section of stream in order to get it to the campsite. So here I go, time to get to work. Now when you're cutting large logs like this with a handsaw, you gotta kind of pace yourself or you'll get tired. If you try to go too fast, you'll just wear yourself out. Folks, as you can see behind me, this log has some pretty large limbs that I can chop off with an axe and use for firewood too. Alright folks, so my plan for fire today is just to have a small twig fire, and this is just for lunch. We don't have enough wood to burn all day, so we're just gonna do a small fire, cooking fire for lunch, and then have a fire this evening when it gets darker. But I've got a little dryer lint to get it started. I made some shavings and a feather stick. Hopefully the lint will catch the shavings on fire, which will catch the feather stick on fire, and then I can throw the twigs on. And that should do it. Once the twigs get going, I can put on some larger wood, larger fuel, and that'll be enough to roast some brats for dinner or for lunch. And that's my lunch fire. Alright, we have got our brats roasting. Oh, I can't wait for lunch, I'm starving. Alright, just hanging out in the shade while our brats cook. Hanging out with the dogs. Oh, now this is what I'm talking about. Lunchtime. Fresh brat from the fire. It's got cheese in it too. Good stuff. Delicious. Alright folks, I decided to lay down and take a nap after lunch. And I think the dogs decided that the hammock looked pretty comfy, and it got a little crowded. So, anyway, they're cuddly, it's fine. We're all having a good time. Life is good. I just decided to give you folks an idea of what our campsite looks like. My evening time view of the campfire. On tonight's menu, we have T-bone steaks cooking over the fire. They look good. Pre-marinated. And they're getting nice and smoky. Oh, it's gonna be good. Alright. Here's what they look like after the first flip. Not bad. And here is the finished product. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must eat really hard and really fast. I've got coffee on the cook stove, and I've got a fire made, and it is 7 o'clock in the morning. Everybody else is still in bed, so I'm enjoying a little alone time before everybody gets up. And I'm warming up too, because it got a little chilly last night. I don't think it froze, but it got down to the 30s, I'm sure. So anyway, that's what's going on here. Hope you're enjoying the show, and I'll see you later. Alright, and for breakfast we've got Some bacon smoking over the fire. Pepper bacon, obviously. As you can see, the outside of that one is really peppery. And we've got some fried potatoes cooking up on the stove. Alright, that smoky bacon is looking pretty darn good to me. I think that it's just about done. Look at those scrambled eggs cooking with the potatoes and bacon. This is going to be a good camp breakfast this morning. Note the bushcraft spatula. The finished product. With coffee. Okay everybody, this concludes another edition of Star Mountain Outdoors and Bushcraft. Thank you for watching, and please check the links down below for my Hike 4 page and my GoFundMe for my Appalachian Trail adventure. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good one.